What's up, guys? It's Q, Student for Life, where you learn every day. Today, I'm going to show y'all what I have today from the online auction I usually be on. Let's go ahead and get to it and show you the goodies that I got. Alright, these is everything that I got. Grabbed the PS2. It came with 4 controllers, a couple games, which I kind of did like a quick search on all these, and a couple of these actually are at a decent price of selling. I think this was iToy Play, and I think this Pro Ball and this Grande, no, the Breath of Fire. I think that was selling for, I think, used too. I think I saw something that said $46. I had to look again, but one of the games got a nice little pretty penny on it. Oh, got right here, Pearl Digital Battery Analyzer. I picked this up. I mean, a little still in this case. It's got a little damage to the case, but still brand new. And the cost of this I paid is $22.72. And I saw listings for this. Well, actually, I got this here for $22.72. I looked up trying to find some listings. It was pretty hard on, well, not hard, but a little difficult finding listings on eBay. But I thought it wouldn't until I forgot I could scan the barcode on here. And then once I did that, a couple of listings, mostly France, was selling it. And they selling it at about $183. I think the lowest was $69.24. And they selling that. And I saw on Google, it was about $174. So I don't know what I'm gonna price this. Getting it for $22, and I don't know. I'm gonna have to price it right. I don't know. Let's try to, but that's what I got. So that would be a nice little penny for the buck that I spent for it. Next up here, it's a Pearl 1/2-inch drive socket. It's a set 12, and I picked this up for $9.56. Still debating if I should keep it for myself or not, but there's not many listings on eBay for this neither. So, and I saw this going for between $28 and $40. Picked it up for $9.56. That'd be a nice little penny. This would be going priority, so I'll probably priority calculated. And I don't know what I'll price it, but maybe go in between because it's still in the seal. I saw one eBay listing for this that was for $16.54, but I found this on Amazon for $28, and somebody else was selling it for $40. So probably small damage to the case, but I don't know. I may have to price it around maybe $30. This here is a Tymo light, standard of accuracy in dark rooms all over the world. I did not know what this was, but while looking at different things on that auction site, I was just scan through eBay and see, if these are anything selling on there, and it seemed like these was. So I ended up getting it, and I paid $5.98 for this, and I seen it selling for $29.95. I may just put this around 28 28 some change. See how that goes. Plus shipping they got to pay, and I'm going to ship that. I already know what box it will. 7x7x6 priority box. So that's what I have so far. And the PS2 for all this stuff I paid I believe $47. So well, some PS3 controllers came with it. I don't have anything to test that. I might try to probably go to a GameStop or something and see if they could test it for me, see if they work. But I'll put these in a separate listing by themselves. But everything else, I don't know how I'm gonna do these games. I might put some with the system and some without it. So that was all I got from the auction, and I'm gonna list those. Actually, today is February 22nd. Actually, on my birthday. Happy birthday! But I'm going to list those and see what happens and update you guys on that. But that's pretty much it for me. I guess I'll see you guys in another video. What's up, guys? It's Q. Today I got a package going out, and it's a PlayStation 1 game. Grandia, I guess that's how you pronounce it. But it's a 2-disc game. I got it in the package, little package deal with all the rest of the PlayStation stuff that I got with it. And by this being by itself for $45, I mean, it was listings for that, but I put it for 30. I mean, for 40 actually, for 40, and best offer. Someone came with me, then actually like within 12 hours of me posting this, with a offer, which was 30. Then I gave him 34, and he went to 32, so I accepted it. Either way it goes, it's a win-win for me, because I still have the rest of the PlayStation stuff that I still have to sell. So this is pretty much, I think I paid for all the stuff that I have for that on the PlayStation. I paid $47, and pretty much my money's already being back in my hand already. So for the rest of the stuff, I will keep you updated. Till then, thank you for watching.